Hey guys, it's Thomas here, and today I want to walk you through my Notion template called Startup Fundraiser Pro. So, first of all, a quick background. Why have I created this template? Well, it's really for any early stage founder of a company or a startup that is embarking on the fundraising journey. And it's super important to keep your CRM in check so that the fundraising process is as seamless as possible. You don't lose the track of all the conversations, emails, intros, phone calls, etc., that you do with your VC or investor funnel. So this is what the template is really for. So let's dig into it a little bit and let me show you what's here. So first of all, just a quick showcase of the template, and then I'll get back to the various sections. So we have actions here. Basically, these action buttons enable you to create new records in the template. You can add a new VC, a new investor. You can add a new VC contact, and you can add a new introducer to a VC. And I'll show what these mean later on. In the navigation section, you can really access all the different databases tables that are included in the template, and maybe more in particular, fundraising funnel is kind of the main view of the funnel and of the leads that you're tracking. At a glance section, it's really just something to give you sort of like a quick glance, obviously, as it says, on how the fundraising funnel looks like. So you can see the number of VCs to contact, number of VCs that are in your process. So you're having some contact with them already. You can see number of committed VCs, and you can also see probability adjusted commitments value, which I will also explain a bit later on. Just to keep going, the VC leads is really just a quick view on the fundraising funnel. So you can see all the different VCs here with a bunch of parameters. I will then show you those in detail. And the very last one is commitments. So basically, this will just show you the VCs that already gave you either soft or hard commitment, and you can also see the probability value of the pipeline. So that includes all the VCs with some conversion probability and some expected tickets. Okay, so let me show you first how the fundraising funnel looks like. This is really just a Kanban board view of the VCs in your funnel, going from long list uh, through various stages. First reach out, second reach out, meetings in progress, soft commitments, hard commitments, and then there are the on hold, rejected, and not responsives. So this gives you like a pretty neat visual point of view on the funnel. And one more thing to note here is obviously the record per each VC. So there's quite a lot of parameters here. You don't obviously have to use all of them, but I found them to be quite helpful. So let me just quickly show you what these entail. So first of all, status. I think that's pretty obvious. Type, it's VC, corporate VC, angel investor, friends and family investor, etc., etc. You can create subjective opportunity ranks based on stars. Then bunch of geographical data. Obviously, contacts at the organization. This is actually a link to a separate database, so you can create sort of like a record for a person working at the VC, and you can add more details there. Deal source, again, this links to a database of people, of basically introducers, right? Because you will be looking for those warm introductions from your network. So here you can track and manage those introducers in a different database, which is obviously included in the template. Expected ticket, conversion rate, I think these are really helpful because these parameters then calculate the probability adjusted value, so you can sort of track what the velocity of the pipeline looks like. And there are obviously next steps, which you can track, next touch point, last touch points, to really keep the dates organized. All these parameters are then obviously then translated in the views here, right? So you get a quick look at, for example, here you can see the days since last contact, which are color coded and calculated automatically, as I showed you before. You can see the conversion rates, the expected conversion rates, which then in turn give you this final number of where are you standing with your fundraising. And maybe last couple of things to note is the people networks that I've discussed before. So contact and VCs. Here you can track the people, person working at a given VC, and you can track their personal details, LinkedIn profiles, emails, phone numbers, etc. And the introducers to VCs, something very similar, but basically a database of the people that you know that will be providing those valuable warm intros, hopefully to the people that you will be raising money from. So this is it. I think it's relatively simple tool, but for me personally, I found this to be very 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 helpful because really, when you're fundraising, you want to build that funnel and you want to build the size of the funnel. So here, hopefully, we're tracking, at very least, 100 conversations or so, if you're serious about your fundraising, and keeping everything in one place and having prepared. I think it's quite a helpful tool. So that is it. That's Startup Fundraiser Pro. I hope you guys find it useful. I hope it's helpful for any early stage founder out there who's fundraising and tracking that VC details. And as always, please don't hesitate to reach out with any ideas, feedback, or thoughts about how to improve this template further. Thank you very much for checking it out, and hope you have a great day and the best of luck in your fundraising efforts. Thanks.